Fresh from the box. This is the Vivo V50 Lite. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kyla Setias and I make reviews and phone unboxing of the latest smartphone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Now, as we open the box, guys, we will see here, of course, the Vivo V50 Lite. So what I have here, guys, is the 4G version. And inside the box, we also have here a protective case together with the manuals. We also have here a Type-C cable, an adapter, and of course, the SIM ejector tool. And now let's talk about the design. So again guys, what I have here is the Vivo V50 Lite, which is designed to stand apart. So as you can see here guys, its design is very unique. The Vivo V50 Lite 4G has 3 colors, such as the titanium gold, fantasy purple, and phantom black. So the color that we have here guys is the fantasy purple. And as you can see here, its design is very unique and it is very slim, which has a 7.79 millimeters thick. And it is ultra light that has a 197 grams of weight. The Vivo V50 Lite also comes in a high gloss frame. Now let us check if this is a dual SIM or a single SIM. Now as you can see here guys, this is a dual SIM. At para sa inyong kaalaman guys, itong Vivo V50 Lite natin guys is wala siyang audio jack. So this doesn't come with an audio jack, but you can still play music here on our Vivo V50 Lite using its built-in speakers, or you can also use Bluetooth devices such as the Bluetooth earbuds or a Bluetooth speakers. Now for its display guys, this has a very great display. It comes with a 2392 with 1080p resolution. And for its display guys, it has a 6.77-inch AMOLED screen display. I really love phones who has an AMOLED screen display. Why? Because with AMOLED screen display, you can have a more greater range of color options and a better viewing experience. So overall guys, kapag AMOLED screen display, mas maganda ang viewing experience, mas maganda ang kanyang mga display dito sa kanyang screen. At bonus guys is meron itong 120Hz screen refresh rate. So bakit nga ba maganda ang 120Hz screen refresh rate? Kasi with the 120Hz screen refresh rate, you can have a better and smoother animations with the 120Hz screen refresh rate. In the Vivo V50 Lite, it has a 1800 local peak brightness, which helps you to see your screen even under the sunlight. And now let's talk about its performance. So now when it comes to its processor guys, dahil ito ay yung 4G version, it has a Snapdragon 685. So when it comes to its storage guys, dahil ito ay yung 4G version, it has a storage of 8GB of RAM with 256GB of ROM. And here guys, I also conducted a Geekbench test, which I will show the results right here. So here is the results for its CPU, and here are the results for its GPU. And now let's talk about the IP. For its IP guys, it has an IP65 dust and water resistance. So what does the IP do? So yung IP guys, ito yung nagprotekta sa ating mga phones against water and dust particles. So dito kahit basa ang ating screen, kahit mahulugan pa ito ng mga raindrops, is you can easily use this guys kasi meron nga siyang IP65. And now let's talk about the speakers. So for its speakers guys, this has a dual stereo speakers. And hindi lamang yan dahil meron din siyang special treat just for you. Kasi dito sa Vivo V50 Lite guys, it comes in a 400% extra volume. So isipin mo yun guys ha, hindi lang 100, hindi lang 200, at hindi lang 300%, kundi 400% ang meron dito sa Vivo V50 Lite, in which you can immerse yourself in a cinematic audio experience like never before. And here is the speaker's test. And now for the gamers out there, let's talk about the gaming. So for the Vivo V50 Lite guys, this is an average gaming phone which is good for mobile games, but it's not built for graphically intense games such as Genshin Impact. And here guys, you might experience some delays. Kasi nung naglaro ako guys, is naka-experience ako ng delays, lalo-lalo na yung mga graphically intense games. Pero overall guys, when it comes to mobile games katulad na lamang ng Mobile Legends, PUBG, COD, is pwedeng-pwede siya dito. Hindi lang sa mga graphically intense games na lang talaga ng katulad ng Genshin Impact or any other games na very intense when it comes to the graphics and other things. So if you're really into gaming, I recommend that you go with other phones katulad na lamang guys ng Vivo V50 5G version ni Vivo V50 Lite. Kasi again, this is the Lite version lang. So if you're really into gaming, I highly recommend the Vivo V50 5G. Which is, heads up lang guys ito ang ginagamit kong camera ngayon. So if you're really impressed with the camera, like me, well, I already made an unboxing and also a phone review of the Vivo V50 5G, which I will also provide the link in the description below. So if you want to watch it here on my YouTube channel and click that link after you watch this video. Pero guys, focus muna tayo dito kay Vivo V50 Lite. And now, let's talk about the battery of the Vivo V50 Lite. At dito sa kanyang battery guys, it has a power that lasts. Bakit? Kasi dito sa kanyang battery guys is meron siyang super large na battery, which is a 6,500 blue volt battery na kung saan guys, Vivo also advertised as a alternative power bank. Kasi sa kanyang mga advertisement guys, sa kanyang mga ads, nakikita ko ginagamit talaga nila ng power bank ito kasi meron siyang reverse charging. So kapag brown out ka, yung katabi mo dyan, wala ng battery, pwedeng-pwede ito yung Vivo V50 Lite kasi meron ito siyang reverse charging. And again, it has a very large battery which is a 6,500 blue volt battery. And a little note lang, mas malaki ang battery ng Vivo V50 Lite against the Vivo V50 5G. At dito kay Vivo V50 Lite guys, is meron siyang 90 watts flash charge na kung saan you can charge up to 100% in just 52.5 minutes. And kapag mag-charge naman kayo guys in up to 50%, you can charge it in just 23 minutes. And now guys, for its camera. So when it comes to the camera naman, meron siyang pro-level photography. So dito sa kanyang camera, we have a 50MP Sony IMX882 camera. So for the 4G version guys, we have here the 2MP wide-angle camera. And for its selfie camera guys, we have a 32MP selfie camera. Now here are some few pictures and videos for you to see. Now as you can see here guys, napakaganda ng quality na nakuha ko dito sa Vivo V50 Lite, especially if you have a very great lighting. So we went to a few different places and used the Vivo V50 Lite to capture the moment. Now here are some food shots for you to see. And by the way guys, if you're located in Brooks Point, Palawan, I highly recommend to go to AA Merienda Corner. And we also went to the famous Catalina Lake, and here are some shots that I took of the Catalina Lake. And of course guys, sa lahat ng mga Vivo phones dyan, latest Vivo phones, we have here, hindi mawawala dito ang Aura Light. So as you can see here guys, maliban sa kanyang camera, we also have here this circle thingy. So dito guys, this is what we call the Aura Light. So I will show you guys kung paano natin gamitin itong Aura Light. So to use the Aura Light guys, just go to the camera, and as you can see here, is meron kayong makikitang parang thunder button dito sa pinakataas. So just click that, and as you can see here, may other options katulad na lamang ng flash auto, flash on, and Aura Light always. So just click that Aura Light always, and as you can see here, is nag-open na ang kanyang Aura Light. And dito guys, kay Vivo V50 Lite, is meron din ito siyang AI erase. If you want a picture perfect moment, pero may mga photo bomber sa likod, you can easily erase it with the AI erase. And dito kay Vivo V50 Lite guys, is napakaganda na results when it comes to the AI erase kasi talagang tanggal na tanggal at hindi na smudge ang kanyang background. And another thing na gusto ko i-share sa inyo guys is yung kanyang AI Enhance. Kasi with the AI Enhance, it can enhance any blurry pictures or any pixelated pictures into a more clearer and higher quality photo. So as you can see here guys, mas naging more defined, mas naging more sharper, and it gave a more better quality to the picture. And dito guys, for its video recording naman, it can record up to 1080p with 30 frames per second. At dito kay Vivo V50 Lite guys, is meron din siyang 60 frames per second, pero ito ay available lamang sa 720p resolution. Now, if you found this helpful, give it a like and click that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more phone reviews and unboxing. So that is all for today's video guys. See you on the next phone unboxing and phone review. Bye!